Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off reviews in a Facebook page. So let's go to the page first. Make sure you are turning your page on. This is the ID and this is the Facebook page. Make sure you are on your Facebook page. Then you have to go to the page first, this page, and you have to click on this three dot icon. You can see here, right? Click on this three dot icon and scroll down and you'll find here page and tag settings. Click on this and then you'll find here this option, allow others to view and leave review on your page. You have to toggle this off. Okay, you are done. So this is how you can turn off reviews on a Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.